All right, guys, we have the Rock Mini Nonstick Pots and Pan set. This is a 4-piece set, great for small kitchens, or if you just want to exercise portion control, meaning you want to cook a lot less because you want to eat less. If you cook more, you eat more. So these are great. They're oven safe up to 450 degrees. So you are able to actually not just use these on the stove, but also use them in the oven. They're basically an aluminum pan with a stainless steel handle. Let's go ahead and unbox these, check them out, and then try them out. Oh, these are nice. These are nice. These could even be great for camping based on the size. So definitely like a real legit, stainless steel handle, very sturdy and very textured aluminum here. So definitely going to be great for the non-stick vibe that you can kind of see there. Very well made. So that's number one. Let's go ahead and get out the other three. So if you wanted to do like a little bit of a sauce or something like that here, you can do that. Absolutely same material, just gives you more of a bowl kind of vibe. There's that, number two. Then we've got a little bit of the bigger skillets, sort of. So this is number three right here. You can see in comparison, definitely a little taller, so a little more space in there. Also, just a little bit bigger in general, and so that gives you a good vibe on that. And then we've got one more as well. So here's more of that square kind of griddle vibe. This is really nice, dude. These are great. I think great maybe for your kids or for just like camping and things like that. Here's all four of them right here. I'm going to go ahead and cook a little something up just so you guys can get a vibe on how this actually works. Let's try. All right, guys, we are actually going to cook something here to show you the non-stick aspect of this and how well it cooks. So as you can see, the card indicates it's 3 times more durable than non-stick, and it's Rock.Tec, hard as a rock. So this thing's very cool. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to cook some riced cauliflower vegetables, basically. Just going to toss some in there, and then we're going to turn this on, put it on like a medium-ish setting, and I'm going to add some broth to it. There we go. And what we'll do is go ahead, let it cook for a little bit. We'll return, and then I'll show you how it looks done and show you how non-stick it is. So we're right in the middle of the cooking. Look how great this thing, I didn't put any oil in this or anything, and it's not sticking at all. So it's very loose and flowy there, which lets you know this stuff's going to turn out really good. We'll wait a few more minutes. All right, so we're finishing it up. This stuff has worked really well. You can see, dude, it is not sticking at all. And even to test this out a little more, I cooked it. I usually cook it at a lower setting. I cooked it at a medium-high setting, and it still didn't stick. So let's turn that off. Look at that. No sticking at all. Super nice. Rock.Tec. It's the new name in cooking.